Easy, scientifically proven method of how to manifest at the speed of light. It's done. You will have results. I do. I did when I first did it. I've done lots of studying around it. It's been proven by scientists that this is how it works. I'm going to give you numbers. You will not believe it, and I want you to do it, and I want you to start today because I'm invested in you having results. So watch the whole video because you cannot afford to miss a word I'm going to say. Okay? But before we start, starting second month of Millionaire Identity Shift Accelerator. People are having amazing results. It's going great. It's very popular. I'm so happy because I've been working on it for quite a long time. Lots of effort, lots of energy. You need to be there. Go to the video description. There's a waiting list for Millionaire Shift Accelerator, Identity Shift Accelerator. Go and become, uh, person member of waiting list because you need to do that, especially if you're manifesting millions in whatever way, whether it is through business, whether it is, through lottery. You need to assume the feeling of being a millionaire or a billionaire. And I'm teaching you exactly step by step how to do that because there's not much info about it out there. And I'm giving it to you and I'll teach you and you will have results because this is not a program where you just attend and nothing happens. No, I'm making you do things and you will have results. So, also, if you want a freebie about how to manifest in 1 second, go and click. It's there in the video description. And let's go now to the proven list method. I have improved that. I have upgraded it quite a lot over the years. That was the first thing I started doing, which actually worked out of all the millions of, guru advice. Um, and then I found a study which proves that 82% of things you put on the list through my manifesting list method will, it's guaranteed, come through. They will materialize. What do you have to lose? Just listen to what I have to say and do it daily for a little while before, you get accustomed to knowing that manifesting works and you get absolutely everything you ask for, and then you can stop. But, it's so much fun. I only teach you things which are fun and natural and make you feel good. I will never teach you to do something which is dragging and, taking your energy away. I've been there, done that, decided not to do it and invented my own system, which is super easy. So now 82% of what you put down on a paper on the list will materialize. I want you to buy a notebook. Doesn't matter what color, something you like to come back to. At the end of the notebook, you will write all your big goals. Boeing, 500 million yacht, so you can chase Bezos around the world. Whatever it is, the big ones, the 100 houses and I don't know, owning this company, owning that company, owning this stock, whatever. Put it, or love of your life, put it at the back. And in the front, I want you to start writing 10 to 50 things a day you would like, and you will do small and medium size. By small, I mean free parking spot. Everyone's done that. Free bouquet of roses. Hearing the song you haven't heard for 10 years. Seeing your favorite actor out of nowhere, although they've been dead for 20. Robert Redford movie, Barbara Streisand song, whatever it is you want to hear, see, watch. Your favorite movie you haven't seen for 5 years, all of a sudden appearing. Pink car, orange car, yellow car, green car, red car, each meaning something else to you, either money or love or getting everything you want or perfect health. Those are the small things. The medium things are, upgrading car, someone helping me for free, getting free things like free cake, free invitation for party, free wine tasting, free lunch, free whatever, free holiday, uh, holiday half price and expected, remodeling kitchen, whatever. I don't care. New shed, blah, 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 blah. And you're going to be doing it every day. 10 to 50 things. You're going to have fun with it. You're going to think of shoes and sunglasses and men maybe ties or whatever, hoodies. I don't know what you want, guys, whatever it is. And on Friday evening, this is when I did it because it feels the nicest. The work is over and you can relax. You take your notebook and you start ticking off everything what manifested. And the first time I did it, I was in absolute shock. I was stunned. I couldn't believe it because I actually did tick off about 80–90% of everything I wrote. So I know that the study is correct because I've done it before I read the study and it did work out for me. And you will just keep ticking and you'll be like, wow. So someone did open door for me. Someone did smile at me. Someone did give me a free advice. Someone did tell me what to do. Someone did help me unpark. Someone did give me, parking ticket they didn't use up and gave it to me so I can use it. You use another 2 hours up. Whatever it is, and you're going to be absolutely stunned. It's literally impossible not to get this. It's basically impossible because I've done it on my first try. 80–90% of things were done, and the study confirms it. So don't come back to me with, oh, it didn't work, because then you're doing something seriously wrong and you need to book a session to find out what it is you do because this is not normal. And you'll check the whole week. You'll see what you manifested. Some things will take 2 days, something will take 2 weeks. Who the fuck knows? And you'll keep going. And the whole point of the exercise is I want you to have absolute confidence that manifesting works, universe supports you, you know what you're doing, and it's absolutely totally easy. You just need to write the thing down, forget it, never think about it, never mention it. By the way, you're prohibited to read what you wrote. You just write it and leave it alone. You don't check it every day. You don't read it. You wait for Friday and tick it off. And you will see how amazing this stuff is, that manifesting actually does work. It's a science, it's scientifically proven. The lists are scientifically proven. And you will, in 2–3 weeks, have such a unbelievable faith and knowing that this stuff works and you get everything you ask for, that you'll start being unbeatable at manifesting. It's going to be absolutely awesome. You're going to love it. So this is the best method I can teach you for those who don't know yet that they're super powerful, but they want to be. And I'll see you in the next video, and do the waiting list, people. Bye for now.